Hey everyone, it's Dylan.
And it's Joe!
It's Joe! And we're actually want to continue on from last week's video because so many people loved what we did, especially that diamond one.
What I did, but yeah.
That was all me.
It was me.
But we're about to pop that one out of the mold. I think that got like, what's it at? 2.3 million almost on Instagram?
2.3 million.
So it's actually the second runner-up for our most viewed video ever, and it's probably
it's gonna be higher.
It might pass it. It might pass it. These turned out awesome.
Yeah.
Show them the bottom of that.
Yeah, I'll show you the back side.
It's very iridescent. Whoa.
You can see that, but it's...
It gets so much more blue.
I know. It's so cool.
Like
Can you see that in the camera?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's so cool.
And that one, like how thick did that come out at?
I think it's like 2 1/4 or something. That one. This one, I don't know.
Just under 2.5.
Yeah.
2 3/8. That's pretty good. And
It
this
is
one
pretty good.
set up perfect.
And another thing, like if you actually take a light to the side of it.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's super cool.
I think this one's gonna look really good in the sunlight.
It is.
Like when we take it outside.
It is. I almost
Yeah.
wish that we put LEDs in this.
Yeah. Next time.
It's so cool.
Then we did this. This one's pretty cool too. Kind of different, like all the different pieces in there. Nice metallic. This is the one where we added a bit of like white color to our deep blue.
Yeah.
And there's the bottom.
I do like it because it accents the brighter blue in it too.
It does. Yeah, it kind of makes it like pop more almost.
Yeah.
And then we've got this one.
Pink one.
Pinkish one.
Yeah.
Still in the mold. I think, yeah, this one's still a little soft. We could probably take it out.
We probably could.
Yeah, we could probably
we do
take it
that.
out. Yeah, let's just take it out. And then we want to just show you guys everything that it takes to take these pieces from a cured, poured piece to a finished piece of wall art. Oh yeah. Woo!
Right now we're just going to be filling in some of the holes in the top with some 15-minute epoxy. So let's get to it. What we got here is we got our 2 pieces that we just did. These are the only 2 of our pieces that have been milled up so far. So we got our spiral piece here, went viral, it's pretty sweet. We're just trying to decide right now if we're gonna put the spiral or the iridescent piece on this chrome base. Unfortunately, that's nicer.
We've got the diamond piece. It is all sanded up to 320 grit, and now we're just getting ready to put on a coat of Osmo here. We're gonna use the Pollux on this piece. So I'm gonna hit the edges first, and the reason I do the edges first is just so if there's any drips that come off the top, they're not gonna stain the edge. So I'll just go around, I'm gonna rub a coat on the edge, and then once this is done, then I'll move to the top and do that. That's all the edges now, all 4 sides. This is the part that I'm sure you guys have been waiting for, and so have we.
doing here is we're going to be putting the threaded inserts into the spiral table, and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be fantastic. It's going to be fun.
Our most viewed Instagram video before making this piece had 2.88 million views, and let's 2.974 million on this one. So it actually, this is our most viewed video we've ever had. It's gonna hit 3 mil.
It feels good.
It does.
It feels really cool. It's
though.
cool, but the colors in this just are way cooler.
Yeah. Imagine if we did like this resin in
that
here.
oh
but yeah, this color I think is probably our favorite color we've ever done.
Absolutely.
And it looked so much. It actually changed when you bring it out in the sun.
A lot, yeah.
And then I don't know if we can. Let's see if we can make it show up where it gets. No, not out here.
You have to do it like through the side. You can kind of see the red.
Yeah, maybe when we take it back inside we'll show that. But you can, when you use, like Joe was saying, when you like shine a light through it, like it looks blue now, but as soon as the light hits it, it's like purple inside.
Yeah,
it's violet.
There's red, and yeah, it's so cool.
Yeah, now we're gonna take some photos of these, and then good news is for everyone, these two pieces are available. So if you guys want to purchase these, we'll probably, they might not be up on the website quite yet by the time you guys are watching this, but if you follow us on Instagram, we'll do an announcement like as soon as it goes up, and then probably in the next video too, we'll let you guys know that they went up if they haven't already sold. That's about it for this week. These are if you want to see us actually pour these, go to last week's video. You can watch us build these pieces, and that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be back next Friday. I don't think we know what we're doing yet for a video.
Not yet, but I'm sure we'll have some really cool stuff.
Oh, we'll have something exciting for you guys, so thanks for watching.
Peace.
Hey, say something.
Words.
Words.